So, for once, the rental disaster does not involve any of my properties, but I was called by a local landlord for help. And what is so shocking about the video you're about to watch is the elderly couple that was taken advantage of is are older people and their disabled son that I used to go to church with, and I discovered that halfway through the video. So thanks for watching, guys, and get ready. All right, we're starting the video now, and I want to go out here and explain that this is the most crazy thing. So this house is trashed, and the people, did you kick them out for the trashiness of this house?
Well,
or
I didn't even know it was
or
like
non-payment.
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 I told them
That's
this, and then they went ahead and left before I had to file.
okay. We file eviction.
Yeah, they didn't pay nothing,
So
they didn't pay
so what's
rent.
significant is that garage there. They were renting it out to an elderly couple.
Yes.
For $800 a month, and
That's what they told us. Yes.
And what was the rent that your tenant was paying you?
$650.
$650.
Then it went up to $700 2 months ago, I think.
Okay.
I raised it to $700.
Okay.
They had so many people living here.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah.
I mean that's obvious to me. So they were renting to an elderly couple and their disabled son. You said.
Yeah.
At some point.
Right.
And I know, since I'm shooting on video, I don't want to use names, but we know who the people are, and I know who the disabled son is because I see him down at Ohio Market all the time.
Yeah.
And then they absolutely destroyed this poor house.
Oh yeah.
Now I want to take a look at the upstairs. How many days have you been here already cleaning trash out?
This is our third day. Third day.
Third day. I'm gonna run upstairs real quick. Have you cleaned the upstairs yet?
I haven't really. Well, yeah, they got some stuff from up
Okay.
there.
There's only a bunch of mattresses here.
This is good compared to what it was.
Oh yeah, because I saw the pictures that you posted on Facebook, and that's why I wanted to come out and take a look, because I do videos on tenant disasters on a regular basis, and I deal with bad ones. And this one, how many mattresses?
There's 9 of them.
There's 9 mattresses out here. They totally they destroyed your window.
Yeah, they've got a piece of wood up there, so I'm sure the window's broken.
They broke the window, and
in this purple.
yeah. I'll tell you what, and I've been in real estate for 14 years, and I find on a regular basis that everybody that I've had that paints a house purple, or they paint a room purple, they get evicted.
Oh yeah.
And it's just this odd thing that I run into with purple rooms. Every time I do an eviction, I find that somebody has gone in and painted a room pink or purple, or they've put sparkle and glitters on the walls, and it makes it just about impossible to do. Wow, this looks a lot better than the pictures.
Oh yeah.
You guys have done a great job on.
They worked in here last night, so I don't even know what time you guys left, but they bagged up a lot of stuff and cleaned up a lot of
See how much
stuff.
more you want to put on there, Mary?
Oh my gosh.
See how much more you want to put on there?
Okay.
Yeah, this is dump truck 1. I figured you probably. I know if I was hauling with my dump trailer, there'd probably be 3 or 4 here. So you're on this one with couches.
The mattresses are around the side there.
Is your furnace in your basement?
Yes.
Okay, because the thing that I noticed out here is that's like a cold air return or a plenum from a furnace.
I don't even know where that came from.
So at some point somebody had cut a cold air return off of a furnace and used it for a trash can.
Yeah, all this stuff. It was all cut back.
Yeah.
On the other side, we went over. We had it all cut out.
Oh my
they did not
gosh,
touch a thing.
that's insane.
They were here. They couldn't have.
Man, I feel so bad. So I wanted to go through and shoot a video real quick and kind of.
Go ahead and throw some more of these bags up in there. I think it'd be fine. We'll just try to sew out there. So go ahead and throw some more of these
Oh my
bags.
gosh, I'm gonna take a.
And then there's go ahead and run them bags over there. I was just gonna here.
So this is an episode of This Is Why Your Rent's So High, because we're friends on Facebook, but I haven't met her in person ever before, and this is just what landlords deal with. The tenants were stealing money off the elderly to live in a non-heated garage. They were paying more than their rent, and they stole money off the elderly and the disabled. All right, I'm gonna flip this. Here are a bunch of trays for a refrigerator. So they got trash and crap all stuffed between this house. I know what some of you guys are gonna say, well, they should have inspected on a regular basis. That'll only mitigate some of the risk. I mean, yeah, sure. That's a great idea. That's something you should do. But it only mitigates some of the risk. And the people that rented this place, they're living somewhere else. Guarantee it. I am sure they have applied for my rentals and they've trashed me, the last landlord, you know, being a bad landlord, and then they'll apply to me and say, oh, we need a house, we're homeless, or so whatever, that destroyed this property, that caused all this damage. They're going to go live somewhere else. And the worst
I just don't know where.
and the worst part of this is that they're going to play this game with another landlord and cost thousands of dollars to some poor other soul. Meanwhile, the landlord here's stuck cleaning up the property, paying for the mess, and however much money in damages the tenants incurred. You've got I don't know if there were any other bugs other than ants in there, but it's full of, with all that trash of bugs and stuff like that in there. Well, thanks.
I'm going to bring an exterminator in,
Yeah.
for sure.
No, thanks for letting me come by and take a video of it, because I want, you know, the internet to see what landlords deal with.
Yeah.
You know, small town Ohio type stuff. If you want a copy of the video, I'll send you a copy. But
Okay.